Alright, mate. So we'll try this again. This is the third time I've made this video with internet problems and stuff. So basically, SHIB, it looks to me like you bought last week when I bought. I could be wrong, but that's basically almost the exact point that I put the alert out for a buy on SHIB last week, and that was down here on the very lows and somewhere down there. It's not quite right there, but I sold on a 24% bounce most of my position up here. I didn't catch the very highs, but you can see it ran on up whatever 30% bounce from this alert down in here, bounce right up. It's obviously got a lot more. I probably should have held it. Now I do have concerns that this is not bottomed. Let me go back actually. So my concern is that this may be kind of an A, B, and then a final flush out C correction down, down on here or whatever. So that is my concern, that the bottom is not in. Now I could be wrong on that. I definitely could be wrong, but that's my concern with this situation, because a lot of times price will want to come down into the white moving average, and even the red 200 are down close to it. So the way I would play it, this might be a dip into liquidity of the monthly candle, and you want this to hold. You want this level right here to hold, right? So if it starts, teetering down and going down and down, then you have to be worried that it's going to drop down and take out this previous low. This should be a dip into liquidity, and this area should hold. So there's a new 2-week candle in 3 days time, 3 days, 7 hours time. So you want this to open up and show you strength pretty much straight away, right? You don't really want it to be down here flirting with the lows and potentially rolling over. This might actually want to go down into the yellow 9 EMA and even pierce that. So if we went down and pierced the yellow 9 EMA, somewhere down in here, just as a very rough guide, like if you come back here and see what that is, this is down into the white 100 moving average, and in that period this is going to be moving up a little bit, and if we even pierce this level here, we're getting very close to the red 200. So I could be wrong on that. It might not go down here. It may not go down here, but that's my concerns, and that's my concerns. And if I was holding that position still, I would be trading a new 2-week candle. If we flip red and start dropping down and start flirting down below, I would be very careful. But ideally, you want this to open up on a new 2-week, have not too much downside, and start pumping to the upside. If you look at the SHIB candles, all of the bullish 2-week candles, they almost flip green straight away. There's not much downside. Okay, so that's what you want to see on a new 2-week.